What is up, people? I have a small problem, two small problems actually. My Apple AirPods. Quite frequently I will connect them to my phone as they are connected now, as you'll see, and they still don't give me sound. The sound continues to come out of my iPhone speaker. That's irritating, not only for me, but for the people around me, like on the train or on the bus or what have you, or at work. Yeah, it can be a problem. So what you can do, this is one workaround, is go into Apple Music. And when you get into Apple Music, let me just flip the screen around here. Bloop. Okay. You just touch the red arrow at the bottom of the screen there, and it will call up a list of outputs devices. And you can see mine's on iPhone, so I just touch Tony's AirPods and problem solved. Now the sound comes out of my AirPods. It's pretty simple, but this works for other stuff too, like Netflix or YouTube or what have you. I just go into Apple Music and do what I just did there, and that solves the problem. So I hope this helps some people. I didn't know what the deal was, and now I guess I kind of do. So yay for knowing. That's at least half the battle. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.